Welcome back friends. In this video we will explore how to import Google Contacts to iPhone. First go to settings. Here scroll down a bit. You will find passwords and accounts. Tap on it and then go to add accounts. Now select Google. Here you need to enter the Google account ID. Then select next. Now enter the password here. Tap next. Here we have the option to enable contact sync. Please enable it and then tap save. Now Google account contacts will be synced and saved to iPhone. Now if you go to contacts, you will see all your contacts from Google account. If you want to save future edition of contacts to save in Google account, then go to settings and then contacts, tap on default account. Here select Gmail. Now by default all contacts will be saved to Google account. Thanks for watching this video. Please hit the like button if you find this video useful.